You thinking about buying a new construction home in Priceville, Alabama? Today, I'm walking you through the Breland Homes model at Nature's Walk at Wheeler. Priced at $425,000, I'm going to show you what this home actually looks like, what Breland gets right, and what every buyer needs to know before they fall in love with it. I'm Clint Peters with Real Broker. I've been selling real estate here in North Alabama for over 8 years, and new construction in Priceville and Decatur is one of the questions I get asked about the most. Nature's Walk at Wheeler sits in Priceville, but it's technically going to have a Decatur address. But it's located just off Highway 67 near I-65 and right next door to North Park. You're 10 to 15 minutes from downtown Decatur and about 30 minutes to Huntsville. For buyers relocating to Redstone Arsenal or the Huntsville Tech Corridor, that commute is really a great selling point. This model is right around 2,400 square feet with a 3-car garage. Let me walk you through the layout because this is where Breland earns the price tag. It's a split floor plan. The primary suite is on the left side of the home. The other 3 bedrooms are on the opposite side. If you have kids, in-laws, or need a dedicated home office, that separation is hard to find in resale homes at this price in Decatur. All 4 bedrooms have large walk-in closets, not just a primary, all 4 of them. The walk-in pantry off the kitchen is a real walk-in pantry. If you do big grocery runs, you'll feel that difference immediately. Coming off the garage, there's a dedicated drop zone, a space for backpacks, shoes, jackets. It's a small detail that changes how the house actually lives day to day. And the laundry room connects directly to the primary closet. You'll walk clothes from the dryer straight into your closet. Once you live with that layout, it's hard to go back. On build quality, walking through this home, the floors had no flex, the cabinets are soft close, and the finishing touches felt solid throughout. The modern touches Breland included here are things buyers specifically looking for right now. With a full brick exterior and vinyl eaves, there's low maintenance on the outside, which matches the low maintenance feel of the whole home. Here comes the honest part. This is a model home. Some of what you're seeing, certain fixtures, finishes, and upgrades, may not be standard at the base price. So before you fall in love with a specific feature, make sure to ask Breland's sales team or your agent for a written breakdown of exactly what's included at the $425,000 price point and what costs extra. I walk my buyers through that conversation every single time. On lot size, Nature's Walk at Wheeler is typical of new construction in North Alabama. You're not getting the large lots you'd find established in Decatur or Hartsville neighborhoods, and for some buyers, that's a great feature. It means less yard work and lower maintenance. For others, it's a deal breaker. Know which one you are before you visit. Breland is currently offering a 1.75% credit towards closing costs when you use their preferred lender. That's a standard part of their program right now, not a limited time promotion. On a $425,000 home, that's meaningful money. I always recommend buyers run the numbers on both their own lender and the builder's preferred lender before they decide anything. Sometimes the credit wins, sometimes it doesn't. I'm happy to help you think through that. If you want brand new construction, a split floor plan, modern finishes, and a layout that's actually designed for how people live, Breland at Nature's Walk at Wheeler is hard to beat in Priceville right now. If you want a bigger lot, mature trees, or more square footage for the same money, resale in Decatur or Hartsville in the $400,000 to $450,000 range may be worth comparing. I can show you both. Again, this is the Breland Homes model at Nature's Walk at Wheeler in Priceville, Alabama. About 2,400 square feet, 3-car garage, priced at $425,000. If you want to walk this home in person or you want to talk through whether new construction in Priceville is the right move for your situation, reach out. DM me, send me a text, or grab a time on my calendar. Link is in the description below. I'm Clint Peters with Real Broker, serving Decatur, Hartsville, Huntsville, Madison, and Athens. I follow what's happening in North Alabama, so you don't have to.